if the door's closed.
This is the coal building, supported by the coal industry. And we have 2 ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride here. It's this one. Five. Nice break.
Open the door.
Go down to 1. There's a nice view up here. Very basic, but nice.
One more ride.
You can take another ride. I'm going to ride the other one.
Okay.
Very fast. All right, Alex is going to come down in this elevator. Ewan is going to go up that elevator.
Oh no, I'm going up with you.
So this one is on its way down with Alex in it. Here he is. Brake. Alex is in that elevator. Take this one up to 5. And watch for back here. Very quick for what it is.
Yeah.
Just like the other one. Love the brake sound. This building was funded by supporters of the coal industry, which I highly support. And over there is Ewan looking at the cab one more time. That'll be it.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.